In this video, we are going to graph problem number 14 from your PC 3.3 practice packet. And as you can see, this is a fairly complex equation or piecewise function. There are 5 sections, so we're going to take it piece by piece. I think you'll find it's not quite as complicated as you might think. So we know that y is -3 if x is less than -3. So if I have -3 right here, I have, whenever you have like this, it's going to be a horizontal line. So I'm going to go down to -3 and I am going to graph a horizontal line going off to the left. Now the only question is at -3, the domain, do I have an open circle or a closed circle? And I obviously have an open circle there because it does not have an equal to. All right, there we go. First part, done. Second part is 2x plus 3 between the domain -3 with a closed circle, and 0 will be with an open circle. So 2x plus 3 is linear. Let's start that out with a slope of 2, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Let's get that line graphed, shall we? Okie dokie, so we have our line 2x plus, and now the only thing left to do with this equation, 2x plus 3, is to figure out where we cut it off. Okay, so at the left, we have a closed circle at -3. So if I go to -3 and we go down here, there is a closed circle here. Obviously, we've got some overlapping, and we're going to erase everything to the left of that. And to the right, we need an open circle at x equals 0. X is 0 is right here, and we need that open circle, and everything to the right will be erased. And let's get that little open circle in there. All right, so there, whoops, that's a little messy. Let's fix it. Okay, open circle right there with the line to the edge. Okay, all right, so that looks good. Let's move on to our next one. Our third equation here is -2x plus 3, but it goes from 0 to +3. So we are going to have another line at 2x plus 3. Now our y-intercept is at 3, so we'll go ahead and plot that. And we have a negative slope, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. All right, let's get this line graphed. Be right back. Alrighty, so we have our line -2x plus 3, and we just now need to decide exactly where we have to start and stop. We're going to start at 0, that's right here, and we are going to stop at +3. So we've got a little bit of erasing to do. We need an open circle at 0, which, let's see, open circle at 0, so there's got to be that, we got to fix that there. All right, open circle at 0 and a closed circle at +3. So that closed circle will be right here. And so let's erase all the junk around it, and then we're good to go. Yay! All right, moving on to our last one. Our last equation is right here. When x is 0, y is 4. So basically that's an ordered pair. When x is 0, y is 4. So let's plot that. When x is 0, y is 4, which kind of makes sense because we were left with an open circle right there. And there you have it, folks. That is our piecewise function.